Hey guys, it's me Pondakal, and in this video we are going to talk about one simple skill that can make you passive income for your lifelong. So this is one of the skill that you need to learn, and it is extremely simple. Okay, it is not some hard skill that you can that it may become hard for you to learn. Okay, it is extremely simple. So firstly, as you can see here, this is a lifetime earning. Now I'm not saying this is the huge revenue. Okay, these are some of my side income which I have worked for once, and it is completely generating on autopilot basis, and I'm going to show you each and everything in a step-by-step process so that you can also learn and implement all of the things that I'm going to show you in this video. So firstly, this is the revenue that is being generated from a site that is called Udemy. So in Udemy, lots of people publish their online courses and lots of people come to buy the online courses. Okay, so what here people only need to do is publish a course. So now you may think, oh, I cannot publish this course, this and that, but just wait and watch this video till the end so that I can give you the proper information that you can understand and implement it for yourself to generate passive income for yourself for lifelong. So this is one site that is called udemy.com. Second is this Skillshare, as you can see. So just for this month, I think I'm going to get paid anywhere from $40 to $100. It is going to be like above $100. Okay, that kind of format this Skillshare had, and total earning is $566. So now this is also not a huge earning, but still it came in a passive way. Okay, because of the one skill. So Skillshare is also a platform where people come to learn certain kind of skill, like if someone wants to do painting, if someone wants to learn how to run Google Ads, they come here and they have subscribed to this Skillshare, and we get paid on the minute our video is played in this kind of platform. So altogether in Udemy, I have like 605 students. Okay, 131 reviews, and I have like 5 courses published at year. And so I did nothing, I have just shared my knowledge. Okay, the real knowledge that I am also sharing here in YouTube, but this is a little bit dedicated knowledge that are targeted to teach a specific thing in a step-by-step process. Okay, so here I have made a course about CPA marketing, and here is a ClickBank affiliate success plus 2 case study of live campaign. So when I was just starting with ClickBank, at that time I have made this course, and I have even didn't toss after that, and people are loving this course. As you can see, there is the rating of 4.3, here is the rating of 4.2, and this is another course that is like a free funnel builder that is called System.io. I have shown everything in a step-by-step process here, and it has like 5 rating. Okay, and here is another that is YouTube affiliate marketing for passive income. So this is also when I was just starting on YouTube. At that time I have created this course because I have learned one skill, and I'm going to share with you what that skill is. Okay, similarly, here's another course that is if someone wants to learn Bing ads, how to run ads on Bing, then I have showed everything in a step-by-step process in this course. Similarly, if I show you on Skillshare, then okay, so these are the some of the course that are not eligible to be published on Skillshare, so it is closed. And here's one course that is same of from this Udemy, like Skillshare, sorry, not from Udemy, the System.io course. Okay, System.io course. And here is one additional class that like Google Ads, how to launch Google Ads, and here I am talking about brand building campaign. Okay, similarly, this class was closed. They do not allow, I think, making money type of course, so that's why this class was also closed. And CPA marketing, it is also the same course that is on Udemy also. So here is Bing ads, this is also the same course that is available on Bing ads. So this class is also closed because I think I have talked about making money in this class also. So what is that skill? So I think you have already guessed, but here is the one skill, that is OBS Studio. So the free software, 100% free software, you can literally click here and download this software. Okay, so this is the software that is called OBS Studio. So when I was just starting out, I didn't used to show my face in this way. Okay, I used to do this kind of screen recording in my starting days, and trust me, I have this one course. So let's see, so this course have 110 reviews. Okay, I have too many students in this course and I have not even shown my face. So what people need is the quality of the content. So I have lots of experience in field of affiliate marketing, CPM marketing, how to do lots of things like making money, what are the strategies that you can use. I have lots of experience on that. And what I did is I made course and I published it on Udemy, I published it on Skillshare, and it started to give me revenue on Autopilot. So now how to use this OBS Studio, how you can get started to make videos. So now making video has one more benefit, that you can also start your own YouTube channel. Okay, so I have taught each and everything in this specific course, YouTube affiliate marketing for passive income. So I have also shown 2 extra ways how you can make affiliate commission by creating this kind of screen recording videos by using this software that is called OBS Studio. So you don't even need to pay a single penny to use this software, okay, for lifelong. And the other thing that I'm using is just this one mic. You can see here, okay, here it is, this mic. So I'll show you how much this mic costs. You may think that it costs lots of money, but it is just $14, and I have even bought this in less than $10 in my country. Okay, so you can literally go to Amazon or any sites, just type Boya buy M1 mic, okay, in Google search or wherever your online store is, just type it and you will be able to get this mic. And you can literally connect this mic and start the software and record, make screen recording videos. So now the skill, you may think that I do not have any skill. Okay, now what you can do is, if you are going with Skillshare, just type the topic that you think you can make videos on screen recording without showing face. Okay, just type that kind of topic, like maybe you know how to build landing page in some software like GetResponse, or let's say maybe you know how to use GetResponse, then just type GetResponse in Skillshare and see if there are any courses that are related to GetResponse. Okay, just see, and you can see create a video landing page. Okay, so here is one concept that you can show how to create affiliate landing page. Okay, you can create that kind of video. Okay, affiliate landing page, just type affiliate landing page and see if there are any responsive affiliate webinar landing page. Okay, so easily build website landing page in 10 minutes, and you can see here are 388 students. Yeah, how to, okay, so this is about other things. So here is one ClickBank tutorial. So just do some research on what type of classes are in this Skillshare and what are the things that you can know. So you are also in the making money online space, and you may know about some of the thing like making landing page or setting up email marketing. Okay, autoresponder, that kind of thing you may know. You can create videos on that. Okay, and there are lots of things. Okay, you just need to search here for the ideas, and same thing in Udemy also. You can check out other courses. As you can see here, there are my 5 courses. Now you may know to how to run Bing ads campaign. Okay, then you can create a screen recording course on how to launch a Bing ads campaign in a step-by-step process. You can show each and everything in that screen recording tutorial and publish on Udemy also and Skillshare also, and that course will be paying you for lifelong for absolutely free. So now in case of YouTube, you can go to youtube.com, and as you know, this video is also this video that you are watching right now is also published on YouTube, and you can sort several topics on YouTube and see which type of topic you can make on YouTube and create the similar type of videos to publish on YouTube. So for now, at the current moment, I've started to share my lots of knowledge for absolutely free on YouTube. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please do subscribe. I'll be bringing more making money online videos in upcoming days. And if you do have any question regarding this specific video, then ask me in the comment section below. I want you to be successful with the help of this skill. Okay, some skill that you can learn. So this can be one of the skill that actually I am using in the real time. Okay, however, this is not making me extremely good amount of money, but also this is the passive income that I am generating for myself. Just create one video, create some video, post it in Skillshare, post it in Udemy, and there are other sites also, but mainly these two are good. Okay, so you can also do that. Okay, just teach people how to run Google ads, just teach people how to maybe run Facebook ad, or teach people how to create landing page. You already may know about these kind of things if you are continuously watching my videos or other people's video related to affiliate marketing topics. So guys, altogether this I wanted to show you in this video, and I'll make sure to put the link of this specific course in the description of this video. Do click on that and enroll in it, and you will be learning the skill to use the screen recording, this type of screen recording video. And the only thing that you will not learn is showing your face, which if you need, then in future I think I may add in this course, or you can learn it from other free videos that are available on YouTube also. So guys, this much I wanted to show you in this video. Take care, have a great day ahead. Bye bye.